Kailan yung mga times na yun?
Hindi na dun magtatanong.
Sana there are times na kailan yun para ma-timing na natin.
Hindi na.
Ay, di ba?
Oo,
Next questions from Rose Garcia from Marites University.
Ayan. Good afternoon po. Una ko po question kay Direk Catherine. Curious lang ako, bakit Meg and Ryan? Kumbaga we all know that tagalin natin ng N. This is Meg Ryan, the Hollywood star.
Okay. Meg and Ryan, I'd just like to acknowledge and inform everyone that this was written by Gina Marisa Tagasa. So, si Manay Gina is a fan of Meg Ryan. You know naman, Meg Ryan is the queen of rom-coms in the 80s, di ba? So, when we were doing yung collaboration of the content, hindi talaga Meg and Ryan ang title ng film. But, as we go along, ang ganda ng characterization na nabuo. And nagmarka sa amin yung character ni Meg and Ryan. So, si Manay, ang instinct niya na, can we use Meg and Ryan as a title? So, I gave a green light to her na, sige, maganda naman, at kakaiba, hindi siya yung, walang masyadong sinasabi. Kumbaga, Meg and Ryan, it speaks to the character of the story. So, that's the evolution of it.
Actually, bongga nga, may recall talaga siya. Then, my next question, para kay JC at saka kay Rian. Correct me nga, baka mamaya mali ako. Is this your first time together, working together?
Yes.
Okay na. So, how was it muna working in this film? Ano yung mga na-discover nyo din with each other? Kasi, oo nga pala, JC is more on ABS and Rian is we all know, a loyal kapuso talaga. So, how was it?
I really enjoyed the whole experience. Sobra talagang, totoo yung sinabi kanina ni Tita Ses, na talagang napaka-generous niya as an actor. If there's anything that he can do to help you in the scene, he will. At saka, even if it's, parang kami, sorry. He will go farther than what it takes na para bang hindi lang yung acting part yung gagawin niya, pero kung pwede siya mag-contribute dun sa lines, pwede din siya kung ano yung mas natural niyang sasabihin. Di ba na pag-uusapan natin before scenes kung may papalitan. Ayun, talagang ini-imbibe niya talaga what would Ryan do? What would Ryan say? So, ayun. It really helped me. It made my job super easy.
Actually, hindi lang si Rian, everybody here is easy to work with. As in, wala naman, ito yung masarap sa idea ng collaboration. Minsan talaga natutugma kayo, minsan hindi. At kadalasan dito sa grupo na to, natutugma kami lahat eh. Na-enjoy namin yung process, even the challenges of it. So, working with Rian, ako, until now, I'm still honored. I mean, this is Rian Ramos. Ako, isa siya sa parang check bucket list na sana maging makatrabaho ko, and then it's happening now. At nakita ko yung process niya, nakita ko yung kung paano siya magtrabaho, and I enjoyed every moment of it. At nakita ko yung dedication kung paano siya, kung paano niya ibigay yung truth ng scene. So ako, super sulit sa akin yun. Para ako, kasi minsan nanonood ako eh. Hindi lang ako, minsan nanonood ako mag-react. Kasi, uy, galing mo na. So I find clever things in those things. Even Tita Ses. Diba? And binigyan kami ng magandang freedom ni Direk para sa mga roles namin. At nakakatuwa kasi nabigay namin yung personality namin dun sa para maganda yung script.
Actually, totoo naman. Nakita ko siya sa trailer. Ayan. Tama ba? Parang it started with the one night stand. Tama ba? Ayun nga. So, curious lang ako, in real life ba, have you ever, although, have you ever parang, hindi naman fantasize, kung hindi parang, minsan, parang masarap din yung ganong kind of love or kind of relationship, if you get what I mean. May mga ganon din ba in real life?
Feeling ko kaya sagutin niyo po.
Or ikaw?
Uy, Ate Rose! I love you!
Alam niyo, sorry hindi ko alam kung ito lumalabas doon ng mga Chinese reels.
Yes.
Chinese movies na, mga short movies na palaging ang parang pinaka-premise niya yung start of a one night stand, tapos billionaire, and then
Algorithm mo yun,
ha?
Ate Rose. Algorithm mo yun.
Ayun na! Hindi ko lang mag-deny.
Nakaka-addict naman talaga.
Puro one night stand pala lumalabas sa'yo.
Hindi ako mag-deny, but anyway, yun na.
Ako, syempre when you're young, wild and free, di ba? Siguro doon papasok yung mga ganong iisipin mo. First, gusto mo ng bad boy, or gusto mo ng, yung ganon, yung parang, pero syempre,
Dapat
bilang
first
lumaki
time.
akong artista ako, mas careful naman ako. But syempre when you're younger, you have those thoughts din na parang, lalo na pag hindi mo pa alam kung what a relationship takes, iisipin mo na yung mga meet cute lang, and that's it, magkaka-inlovean na kayo, and that's your relationship. May ganun din when you're younger.
Okay. For a married man.
Yung same lang din, maybe when I was young, meron ako mga ganung fantasies. Pero hindi nagtatagumpay lahat.
Okay.
Parang di ba parang pagbata ka pa, yung appealing sa'yo yung bad boy o yung bad girl. Tapos the older you get, it's like, you realize na that's not really what relationships are about.
So ngayon Rian, ano na talaga? Although we all know naman na you're happy with your relationship now. Ano na yung na-realize mo at your age na, at your status na?
The right person for you will not tell you who to be, but they will inspire you to make yourself better and be a better person. Hashtag Megan Ryan.
Okay, thank you. Good luck and congrats.
Grabe naman ang tanong ni Ate
Thank you,
Rose.
Rose. At ang ganda rin ang sagot na Rian, ha?
Totoo.
Pang is you.
We have a
We have
winner.
a winner.
Yes, totoo yun.
Siyempre, hindi mo papatalo ang from Marites University, we go to Marisol Academy.
Wow.
Siyempre, di ba? Yung mga, asan na ba si ano?
Andito si Ate
Mildred Bacon.
Kuya Romel Placente, of
And Mildred,
course.
sorry po, and Mildred Bacon.
Ayun, ang Kuya Romel Placente, katabi ni Tita Mel.
Ayan, si Romel, di ba nauna pa umupo doon sa inupuan ni Rian? So ngayon,
Naka-live na doon si Kuya Romel kanina.
Hi, Rian. Hindi ka pa napapagod. Tuloy-tuloy yata yung movies na ginagawa mo. From one movie to another. May time ka pa ba kay Sam?
Wow. Diretso.
Saka ito, meron pa kayo ditong Lecture Panes dito, di ba?
Anong churbanes, Kuya?
Yun na yun. May love scene. At hindi ba kayo, kung meron man, hindi ba kayo nagkakailangan ng first time to work together? Kung ka kayo,
careful lang.
siyempre movie lang naman love scene, siyempre. Yan. Kung meron man, hindi pa kayo nagkakailangan since first time nyo na nag-partner.
Oo. Siyempre it's a love story, so talagang dapat natin ipakita kung ano yung, kung paano talaga nagka-inlaban si Megan Ryan, di ba? And of course, hello? It's not meant to be.
Aya.
Ayun. Nagkailangan, well, honestly, love scenes are some of the most awkward scenes that you can possibly do. I get asked a lot kung nagselos ba si ganito. Parang but sa totoo lang, ang hirap din talaga na tanggalin sa isip mo na napakadaming taong nanonood. And so, it's really up to the two of you to trust each other and try your best to make each other feel comfortable. Kasi nga, there are so many factors why you should be uncomfortable. Conscious ka sa katawan mo, conscious ka kasi nandito, katabing-katabi lang ang face mo yung cameraman, di ba? So, may mga ganon. But if ever may ilang factor naman, it's not because of JC. He definitely was a gentleman the whole time, making me feel as comfortable as possible. But, totoo lang, you can't be fully comfortable in a love scene. It's impossible. Hindi din kaya.
Yeah, tama naman po. Uncomfortable naman talaga. Kasi me, personally, I take it like a choreography. I really just want to sell it na like it's happening when it's really not. So as much as possible talagang stick lang ako sa choreography. So wala naman talaga usually pag ganun, mahirap na yan eh. You're thinking about a lot of things in just one scene. So as much as possible, mas technical siya. So and you have to respect your co-actors and everybody around. So it's a multitasking work. So mahirap, uncomfortable po.
Thank you, Megan Ryan.
Thank you.
Ah, ganun